Today we'll see how you can set up a new Mac very easily, and it's pretty easy to set up a new Mac if you have an Apple ID. At first, when you turn on the Mac, then you'll be able to see the screen where it shows what is the language you want to choose. After you choose the language, it will take some time to do whatever it does. Select your region. Mine is Canada, so I'll be going for the Canada. Can I go for the C? Yep. So whenever you turn on your Mac, the touch will not be working. That's why you need to click there. The touch is not going to be working. Not now. I'm okay. I need the Wi-Fi. Okay, this is the next section, migration assistant from PC. No, if you're setting it as a new machine, don't click on continue. Now you need to put your Apple ID. If you don't know how to create an Apple ID, then you may check my channel, or there are many videos on the YouTube. Anyway, I'll be putting my Apple ID and coming back very soon.
Now here, I forgot to tell you one thing. If you don't have an Apple ID, then you can also use your Mac without the Apple ID. You just need to click on the setup later, and then you can just continue without the Apple ID.
Once you put your Apple ID and the password, it will be asking for the verification. Just click allow on your other device and put your Apple ID verification code. Wait a little bit until it verifies, so it will take a little moment to verify. Then you just need to click and accept the terms and conditions. It will take a little moment once again to verify. I'll be choosing my password. Once you put and choose your password, just click on continue. It will take a little moment to get it verified. Allow my Apple ID to reset this password. Keep the things the way it is. Don't need to change anything right now. It will take a little time depending on your Wi-Fi connection and Apple server. Meanwhile, if your MacBook is not having enough power, be sure to plug your power cable, because if you don't have your power cable connected to your Mac, sometimes it may don't do the update, or if the battery is low, then you may get some problems here. If your Apple ID is having the Find My, then you'll be able to see these options. Just click on continue, click on the express setup. Just don't need to change anything, and don't share the crash and usage data with the developers. Like sometimes it takes more battery life. Screen time, keep it on. Hey Siri is ready. Just click on continue. Don't share the audio right now. File vault and disk encryption, and most of the people, you guys are going to be using this one. You don't need this one. Now if you're having the MacBook Pro with the Touch ID, then you should definitely set up the Touch ID. Okay, let's go continue. Once you're done completed scanning that one, just click on continue. It will take a little time. Once again, now the next step, choose your look. So I prefer the light one, so I'll be keeping the light one. Just click on continue, wait for the next one. True tone, I really don't like the true tone. I don't like the true tone. I'll be disabling this one. So that's how we set up the new Mac, and now we're ready to go with our Mac. But there are some settings that you should definitely change once you come inside of the Mac, that I really change all the time after setting the new Mac. I'll be making another video where I'll be showing you guys what are the things you should definitely change once you have your sweet Mac on your hand. So there are some settings that you should definitely change. Check back for the next one. That's it.